Alrighty, YouTubers, I am back again. It is Friday. We made it. Friday, March 9th. Here we go. Another Amazon unboxing. I didn't get no mail the last couple days, so here we go. Finally get something back in. And hopefully everyone had a good week. Everybody is safe. Oh. Here's a rip. Go. What do we have? Ooh. Now this is nice. And you guys can get one at a low cost. Just click on the link down below. This is coming from my good friends over at... Who is this from? BlitzWolf. Here we go. Nice tripod. Selfie stick for your Samsung, iPhones, pretty much everything. iPhone 8 or iPhone 10 plus 6, 7, Galaxy 8 plus Edge. So pretty much all. And I got the S8 Plus that I use right now. I'll probably be getting the 9 Plus next week. Here we go. Let's take a look at this thing. I definitely needed a new tripod. Mine broke, kind of. Whoa. Look at this. Here's that. It is Bluetooth, I do believe. Just gotta figure out how do I get the tripod stand going. Oh. Alright, I'm definitely going to be using this now for my videos. This is really nice. If I could get it. Oh, almost had it. Oh, look at that. And in case you want to do the selfie mode. Holy moly. I don't do the selfie stuff. I'm not a selfie type of guy. Boom. Boom. I think it's USB. Oh. Yep. Boom. Just gotta turn it on. Whoa. Oh. Check this out. The remote control for it. It was hidden in the slot. Right there. I gotta do. Oh, this is multi-use. I'm probably gonna have to charge the remote. Yep, right there. Plug it in, turn it on, and it'll connect. You could do the shutter in case you're by yourself. Sporting event. I'm not sure if some stadiums allow this anymore. You could do expando. I don't have it big enough. There we go. Boom. Look at that. That's what I'm talking about. So YouTubers, you guys could get one at a low cost. All you gotta do is click on the links down below. Get one of these tripods. Remote. Bada boom. Really nice. And then, oh, focus. There we go. Here's that. Here's for the recordings I'll be doing. Alright, YouTubers, thank you guys at BlitzWolf for sending me this. Definitely going to be put into use. And YouTubers, you guys have a good weekend. Hopefully see you guys back tomorrow. If not, I'll see you guys soon. Contest coming up. Be safe. See ya.